Good morning, one and all. I would like to discuss a paper on a case study of web content mining in handling cyber crimes. So, in this paper, we delineate how a web crawler tool is used for web content mining in the case of website, which is culprit website involved in the three crimes: sedition, State Emblem of India, Prohibition of Improper Act Use Act 2005 violation, and cheating crime. The organization JNTH was affiliated to the Online Cheating Government of Telangana and Online Sedition Government of Telangana. It has been operational in the JNTH Hyderabad University during 2011 to 2014. We present a few snapshots of the culprit website's homepage from Wayback Mission, a web crawler tool for internet archiving of websites. The snapshots capture evidence of the usage of cheating and seditious identity government of Telangana. By mining the archived website contents, we present how they serve as cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime. Cyber forensics. Cyber forensic is the forensics is the field of study with regard to forensic evidence related to or based on web data and resources. TrueBack, CyberCheck, FDAC, FRAN, MobileCheck, Adweek CDR Analyzer, NESA, and WinLift, etc. are various cyber forensic tools indigenously developed by CDAC, Thiruvananthapuram, India, towards latest methods of investigation by police. A cybercrime is one that violates a law or code or act or constitution using a web as a media. Often, cybercrimes are difficult for handling and are elusive to proof of evidence. Sometimes, however, cognizable evidence of cybercrime cannot belie the cyber forensic expert. In this paper, cheating crime and sedition crime are presented as the cyber crimes of interest towards handling unlawful organized activity in J&H. The rest of the paper is organized as follows. Section 2 gives brief of internet archiving and Wayback Mission, the web crawler tool. Section 3 gives a brief the details of the sedition law and cheating crime, etc., which are presented web-based by the culprit organization. Section 4 captures the snapshots of the culprit website's homepage, which is the result of web content mining obtained by the web crawler tool Wayback Mission. Web archiving. The Internet Archive is a non-profit digital library. It is based on the San Francisco. Its function is archiving. Secondly, it is activist organization and advocates for a free and fair internet. The Internet Archive follows the public to upload and download digital material to its data cluster. However, the bulk of its data is collected automatically by its web crawlers. Its web crawler works to preserve as much of the public web as possible. Its web archive, the Wayback Mission, contains over 150 billion web captures. Wayback Mission, a web crawler tool. Internet Archive Wayback Mission is a tool to capture snapshots of the web page or websites online. It is an automated system to generate an archive that contains crawlers archives of websites. As of 1st July 2015, it contains 23 petabytes of data. Currently, it is growing at a rate of 50 to 60 terabytes per week. This ellipses the amount of text contained in the world's largest libraries, including the Library of Congress. In other words, the Internet Archive Wayback Mission is a service that allows people to visit archived versions of websites. Visitors to the Wayback Mission can type in a URL, select a data range, and then begin surfing on archived version of the web. Sedition and cheating. Sedition law penalizes any spoken or written words or visual representations, etc., which have effect of bringing or which attempt to bring into hatred or contempt or excite or attempt to excite disaffection towards the governments established by law. Cheating. Cheating could be a case of Whoever cheats and thereby dishonestly induces the person deceived any property to any person, or to make, alter, or destroy the whole or any part of the valuable security, or anything which is signed or sealed, and which is capable of being converted into valuable security, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years, and shall also be liable to fine. Sections 419 to 425, 431 deals with personalization and allied issues of cheating crime. Capturing the snapshots of the culprit's website homepage. Two snapshots of the culprit website are shown below for the period 12 November 2011 to August 1st, 2015. They are the results of web crawling. They are dated 13 February 2012, 18 April 2012 as per the automated web crawler by Wayback Mission. However, altogether, the web crawler tool saved the website 10 times. The two web crawlers captured an image with a logo on the right hand side which contains Indian national emblem. This is a cybercrime already reported in our earlier work. Also, we find mention of Government of Telangana in the logo on the right hand side. This is not only GOT, that is cheating Government of Telangana, but also SGOT, seditious Government of Telangana. This FGOT is misleading and cheating the nation. The logo is part of the image during the year 2011 to 2014. As per the charge sheet, one of the culprits is absconding. Hence, it cannot be ruled out that the CGOT or SGOT or FGOT works in the background or underground or parallelly now. In the last year, one or so, the culprit website removed the image with the logo. So this is the culprit website snapshot 1 homepage snapshot dated 13 February 2012, and this is snapshot 2 dated 18th April 2012. So finally, the conclusions: the culprit GOT is involved in 3 crimes altogether clearly. In this paper, seditious crime and cheating crime are highlighted. The web content mining results drawn from the Wayback Mission. A web crawler tool clearly proved the crimes. Over the years 2011 to 2014, these 2 crimes were ignored in the sense that no FIR is registered despite complaint. Using Wayback Mission web archiving tool, the instances of the web crawlers are retrieved. The cyber forensic data shows that these 2 crimes were perpetrated against the nation. The 2 snapshots clearly shows clues to prove the crimes of culprit GOT. Such organized crimes are threats to the national spirit, threats to the national spirit and national integration in India. So, if online culprit GOT is spread, it will set wrong precedents and such crimes tend to recur. It becomes a vicious cycle. Therefore, such a cheating, fake, seditious government should be prohibited and rooted out. We attempted to remedy the situation by making available guidance and counseling webpage to make transparent to the general public the issues involving cybercrimes against the nation. So these are the following references we used for this paper. Thank you.